how to post a big video on WhatsApp status. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can post a big video on WhatsApp status, so make sure to watch the video till the end. WhatsApp came up with a certain update. Now previously what happened used to was over here, if you went to the updates tab and then you tap on the my status option, you try to upload a certain status, it will automatically get cropped down to 30 seconds. But now with the new WhatsApp update, this is no longer the case. As long as you're using the recent version of WhatsApp, make sure to update it to the latest version. Then you can actually go to updates, and now this time without doing anything, you can automatically upload videos for up to 60 seconds. So previously it was 30 seconds, now you can actually upload up to 60 seconds. So let me show you. One of these videos is actually a 43-second video, as you can see, and it is not cropping itself to 30 seconds like it used to do previously. But now you can actually upload up to 1 minute long. So as long as it is not over than 1 minute, then you'll always be able to post a big video on WhatsApp status. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.